主 Jagannath 咧就喺
Gundicha, Temple of Gundicha.
喺呢個 Gundicha 嘅廟嗰度。
This is the 5th day after Ratha Yatra begin.
咁呢個咧就係 Ratha Yatra 開始之後嘅第5日。
So today is called Era Panchami.
今日咧就稱為 Era Panchami。Era
means to see.
Era 就係意思睇。
Panchami means the 5th day.
Panchami 咧即係話第5日。
So we're gonna hear what means this pastime.
咁呢個而家去睇下，即係聽下呢個消回時光係點發生嘅。
And maybe we're gonna hear also what happened before this.
咁亦都係咧係去聆聽下喺呢個發生之前係有啲咩事發生。
This festival of Ratha Yatra is very special.
呢個係 Ratha Yatra 嘅節日咧，所以咧係非常之特別嘅。
In Hong Kong, we have, when we have every year.
咁我哋每年咧都係有週末嘅時間。
And many other cities in the world, we have Ratha Yatra every year.
咁喺其他國家嘅地方咧，都係有 Ratha Yatra 呢個節目嘅。
In Jagannath Puri, it's going since many thousands and thousands of years.
咁但係 Jagannath Puri 咧呢個節日咧就係喺呢個好多千年嘅之前咧已經係有㗎啦。
Is the largest religious gathering in the world.
咁喺呢個世界裏邊咧係最大嘅宗教節日嚟嘅。
And it is a very joyful procession.
係一個好令人愉快嘅巡行。
There's lots of singing and dancing.
就係有好多嘅唱頌啦，同埋跳舞。
When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was here 500 years ago,
咁喺主彩坦爺咧喺500幾年前咧係降臨嘅時候咧
he never failed to participate in the Ratha Yatra.
佢從來唔會咧係漏咗咧係去慶祝呢一個節日嘅。
Particularly in his last 18 years of his life.
就係話喺佢生命中嘅最後嗰18年咧。
And he would make sure that all the devotees from Bengal and other places would go to Jagannath Puri to attend the Ratha Yatra festival. 佢要肯定咧喺去呢個孟加拉嘅地方啦，同埋其他印度嘅地方咧，都要去 Jagannath Puri 咧去慶祝呢一個嘅節日。And you will see why.
咁你而家我哋會睇到點解啦。
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. 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 Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Subhadra. Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami, Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. 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 Isa, 你可以看對 Isa。
宇宙之主啊，請讓我能夠看見你。
So we are begging Lord Jagannath to be visible to us.
所以我哋乞求咧，係 Jagannath 咧，讓我哋咧見到佢。
So Srila Prabhupada established the festival of Lord Jagannath all over the world.
聖巴布巴咧係將呢個 Jagannath 呢個節日咧係喺全世界都舉行。
Srila Prabhupada, before going to preach in the West, he used to visit the temple of Jagannath time to time.
咁聖巴布巴去外國傳教嘅時候咧，佢時常咧都會去呢個 Jagannath 廟度啊慶祝或者獻神嘅。
Most Indians they do that. Most Indians they do that. They visit the temple of Lord Jagannath regularly.
好多嘅印度人咧都係去崇拜主 Jagannath。
If you are not Hindu, you cannot enter the temple.
如果你唔係印度人咧，就唔能夠咧去咗呢個廟裏邊嘅。
So after Srila Prabhupada went to America and preached, and then after a few years he went back to India with some Western disciples.
當聖巴布巴咧去到美國去傳教咗幾年之後咧，就帶佢啲門徒咧翻去印度呢啲廟度。
They allowed Prabhupada to enter, but did not allow the Westerners to enter.
佢哋咧就係容許聖巴布巴咧進入呢個 Jagannath 廟，但係其他嘅西方人咧就唔准入。
Srila Prabhupada said, but they are Vaishnavas. They worship Lord Jagannath. Why they cannot go inside?
聖巴布巴話咧，佢哋係全部都係 Vaishnava 嚟嘅，同埋咧佢哋都係崇拜主 Jagannath 嘅。點解佢哋唔入得去咧
？Sorry, is the rule. No Westerners can go inside.
佢哋就回答啦，唔好意思，呢個係我哋嘅規則。
Only Hindus.
就之後咧係為俾呢個印度人咧入去。
Srila Prabhupada said, then I don't go inside. 聖
巴布巴就話啦，咁我就唔入去啦。
Prabhupada never went back to visit Jagannath temple. 同埋咧就係
從永遠咧都唔再去入 Jagannath 廟裏邊。
They think that Jagannath is only the Lord of Jagannath Puri.
咁佢哋認為咧，主 Jagannath 咧都係 Jagannath Puri 嘅主人嚟嘅啫。
But Jagannath means the Lord of the universe.
但係主 Jagannath 咧意思咧就係話整個宇宙嘅主人嚟㗎。
So don't worry, Lord Jagannath already left the temple and now is going all over the world.
聖巴布巴就話啦，唔緊要啊，主 Jagannath 啦已經咧離開咗呢個廟咧，就去到其他嘅呢個世界嘅其他嘅地方。
So all over the world we have Jagannath deities.
咁所以咧喺全世界裏邊咧，就你會見到咧Jagannath 嘅神像啊。
And in major cities in the world, every year you have Ratha Yatra festivals. 喺呢個世界裏邊嘅大嘅城市咧，佢哋每一年咧都係會舉行慶祝呢個 Jagannath 主 Jagannath 嘅節日。When Srila Prabhupada was here, never failed to attend those festivals. 當聖巴布巴係喺臨在嘅時候咧，佢永遠唔會咧係唔會參加呢個 Jagannath 嘅。And he danced in great ecstasy. 同埋每一個人，同埋咧佢亦都係以極大嘅喜悅去慶祝嘅。Like a small child. 好似一個小朋友咁。Very happy.
非常之高興。
So this is the temple in Jagannath Puri.
咁呢個咧就喺 Jagannath Puri 嘅廟啊。
Is one of the oldest temples in the world.
喺呢個世界裏邊咧，係其中一個最古老嘅廟宇。
This construction was renewed 900 years ago.
咁咧喺呢個廟啊，喺900年前咧並不是一個新嘅廟嚟嘅。
But it exists there since 5,000 years. But they renew time to time.
其實咧，佢哋係喺5000幾年前已經係建築咗噶啦。
But this is already 1,000 years. All
呢個廟咧，其實已經係有1000年噶啦。咁但係佢哋每年都會維修嘅。
So we cannot have photographs of Lord Jagannatha inside the temple because it's not allowed. 我哋唔能夠咧係去呢個 Jagannath 廟裏邊咧係替神像影相嘅，因為佢哋唔准許嘅。But when it's Ratha Yatra, everybody can see Lord Jagannath. 但係有
Ratha Yatra 呢個嘅慶祝咧，每一個人咧都能夠見到 Jagannath 嘅樣。
Lord Jagannath is big.
主 Jagannath 咧係好巨大嘅。
Very big.
非常之龐大。
And very heavy.
好重添。
500 kilos.
500 kilo.
Very heavy.
非常之重啊。
So the body of Jagannath, Baladeva is elder brother, and Subhadra is their younger sister.
Baladeva 咧就係 Jagannath 嘅兄長啦，Subhadra 咧就係佢哋嘅妹妹。
Yeah. So here we have Jagannath, Baladeva, Subhadra. Subhadra is in the middle, is protected by the brothers.
咁呢個咧就係主 Jagannath 啦 ，Baladeva 同 Subhadra 咧就喺佢哋兩個中間，因為要受佢哋保護啊。
So the bodies of the deities, time to time they are renewed, means they carve new bodies.
咁啊，主 Jagannath 嘅身體咧，佢係每一年咧都會換新嘅，每一年都會雕刻一個新嘅身體。
Because it's wood, and the wood deteriorates.
因為嗰啲係木製成嘅啦，所以啲木咧係會腐爛嘅。
So when you heard about Purushottama month, right?
大家都聽過 Purushottama 月份啦。
So in Indian Vedic calendar, every 3 years or every 4 years or every 5 years, not always the same. In between our regular month, there is one extra month.
咁就喺每年啦，每3年、4年或者5年咧，就係會有一個嘅形成咗有一個多咗一個月份嘅時候。
Sometimes like this year was between April and May.
咁啊，好似呢一年咁啦，呢個 Purushottama 月咧就係喺4至5月之間。
But there's no fixed.
但係唔係每一年都係咁嘅。
Sometimes can be between August, July, August, can be August, September, October.
有時係7月、8月份之間咧，8月到9月份之間，9月到10月份之間咧，都會有呢個閏月嘅時間。
But sometimes can be between June and July.
咁有陣時咧就係6至7月份嘅。
And this is very rare.
就非常之罕有啊。
Maybe every 15 years.
或者係50年之內咧先至會發生，或者
can even be every 19 years.
或者90年之內先會發生。
The last one was 2017.
上次咧就係2017年。
Almost 9 years ago, huh? 9 years ago.
可能係9年前之前啦。
So we don't know when there is the next.
咁我哋唔知道下一個月份係會，即係下一次會係幾時
So
發
in
生。
that particular Purushottama that comes between June and July, that's when they changed the body of Lord Jagannath.
咁咧就係話喺 Purushottama 月係喺發生喺6至7月份嘅時間咧，佢哋咧就會將替換啊主 Jagannath 嘅身體。
Everything about Lord Jagannath is all according to scriptures. 所
有關主 Jagannath 嘅用品咧，都係根據住經典咁樣去製造嘅。
When there is the year they're going to change the body, 4 months before Ratha Yatra, the priests from the temple, accompanied by some workers that can cut the trees, they go together in a big procession. They go to the forest.
咁咧就係將喺呢個 Purusottama 月份嗰個時間咧，佢哋係6至7月上8月呢個進行時間咧，祭司咧同埋所有嗰啲工作人員咧，佢哋會咧係由巡行咧去到森林咧係準備咧係砍伐啲樹木，攞嚟做神像嘅。
Some are brahmanas.
有啲係婆羅門啦。
Some are just workers.
有啲咧都係工人嚟嘅啫。
But not ordinary workers.
但係佢哋唔係一啲普通嘅工人嚟嘅喎。
They are servants of Lord Jagannath.
佢哋係主 Jagannath 嘅僕人嚟㗎。
And their service is to cut down the trees.
佢哋嘅服務咧就要去斬低啲樹木。
They learn from their parents.
佢哋從佢哋嘅父母咧學習嘅。
And their parents learn from their parents.
佢哋父母又同佢哋父母學習。
Long generation.
係好多代咧相傳落嚟。
Not anyone and everyone do this service.
唔係每一個人都可以做呢一個服務。
They have to belong to that parampara, that lineage.
佢哋一定要去跟從佢哋嘅使徒傳承。
So they go inside the forest of Lord Jagannath. It's a huge, one of the biggest forests in India. Belongs to Lord Jagannath.
咁你去到一個最大嘅森林，就係印度呢個最大嘅森林，而呢個森林咧係屬於主 Jagannath 嘅。
Is legally registered on the name of Lord Jagannath.
咁呢個咧係正式咁樣去註冊嘅。
Is the property of Lord Jagannath.
就係註冊咧係成為主 Jagannath 嘅。
Nobody can go there cut any trees.
主 Jagannath 嘅財產啊，冇人能夠咧係進入呢個森林咧係砍伐樹木嘅。
So first they go to a temple in the forest, in one town in the forest. There is one temple of Durga.
咁你首先咧係去到第一個廟啦，就係 Durga 嘅廟啊。
That temple deity is called Mangala.
呢個叫做 Iskon Mangala.
Is Durga.
咁呢個係 Durga。
Because Durga is a great devotee of Lord Jagannath.
因為 Durga 咧就係主 Jagannath 咧偉大嘅奉獻者嚟嘅。
So they go there to beg the goddess for blessings, for guidance.
咁咧首先去到啲廟咧，就係去到向 Durga 女神咧係尋求祝福啦，同埋係祝福。
So they can find the right trees.
好使咧佢哋能夠咧係得到要用嘅樹。
It's just not ordinary trees.
咁啲樹又並不是普通樹嚟㗎。
The trees are already there waiting for them.
嗰啲樹咧係等緊佢哋嚟嘅。
Yes, special trees.
特別嘅樹嚟。
Very special trees. So that night, after worshipping the deity of Mangala, that night the deity appears in a dream of the head priest. And gives him guidance where to go to find the trees. 咁
到夜晚啊，咁就係Durga 女神咧，就喺呢個主祭司嘅睡眠嘅時候咧，喺夢中咧就給予呢個指示咧，係俾佢哋係去到邊度係去砍伐樹木。
So the trees are all very special.
所以所有樹咧非常之特別嘅。
So here maybe you can read. You can read by yourselves.
Oh.
See, the tree to carve Lord Jagannath has 3 branches, 4 branches, 4 main branches. The bark is dark. And then they have to have some symbols like a chakra, the Ganda means the plow. Chakra, Ganda. You can read, but these are the symbols that they have to find in the trees to know which tree is going to be used to carve Lord Jagannath, which tree is going to be used to carve Baladeva, to carve Subhadra and Sudarshana Chakra.
咁呢個圖咧係解釋到咧就係話邊一種嘅樹咧就係愛嚟做主 Jagannath 嘅神像嘅樹。咁呢個樹嘅特徵咧就係有4支主幹啦，同埋咧係好深色嘅啦，同埋咧呢個樹咧裏邊咧係有呢啲嘅紋啊，或者係呢個一啲嘅標誌。咁係俾主 Baladeva、Subhadra 同埋咧係蘇德山呢個法輪咧， 都係有唔同嘅樹咧係去製造嘅。
So you can see they are not ordinary trees.
所以咧，大家睇到咧，所有呢啲嘅樹咧，全部都唔係一啲好普通嘅樹嚟嘅。
These are all neem trees.
全部都係黏樹嘅。
Neem trees are considered sacred trees.
黏樹咧就係一啲神聖嘅樹嚟嘅。
And is medicinal trees.
亦都係咧可以藥用嘅。
Because inside the body of this tree there's oil, very medicinal oil.
咁喺呢個樹嘅樹幹中間咧係有啲嘅油啦，咁呢啲油質咧就可以愛嚟做醫藥用嘅。
So when they find the trees,
當我哋揾到呢啲樹嘅時候咧
then they camp there around that particular tree.
咁咧佢就圍住呢棵好特別嘅樹咧
And they perform rituals.
就去舉行一啲嘅祭祀啦。
And they seek permission to cut the tree.
跟住咧就懇求咧批准啊，係可以去砍伐呢一棵樹。
They offer fire yagya.
佢哋咧舉行一啲火祭啦。
They worship the tree as if it was already the deity.
咁佢哋咧就係崇拜呢棵樹咧，就係當崇拜神像咁噶。
It's not ordinary tree.
並不是普通嘅樹嚟嘅。
They put sandalwood paste all over the tree.
佢哋咧係將呢啲嘅檀香漿咧，就係搽滿呢棵樹幹。
They put the garlands on the trees.
跟住咧就係擺個花環咧喺個樹幹上。
And they offer worship to the tree.
同埋咧係向呢棵樹咧係進行祭祀崇拜。
And then they are get ready to cut down the tree.
咁跟住咧就準備去鋸呢棵樹落嚟啦。
First, they're going to cut with a golden axe.
首先咧，佢用一支金嘅斧頭去斬啦。
And then they with a silver axe.
跟住又用一個銀製
And
嘅
finally with an
斧頭。
iron axe.
最後咧，仲有一個鐵製嘅斧頭。
Until the tree fall down.
直至到棵樹砍伐到落嚟為止。
They don't need the whole tree.
佢哋唔需要成棵咁大棵嘅樹。
They just cut one piece of 2.5 meters.
就係切啦，就係2.5米嘅樹幹。
Trees have to be very large. As you saw, the deity of Jagannath is very large, so the trees have to be quite big.
咁咧，你睇到咧，主 Jagannath 咧，佢嘅身軀好大噶嘛，咁所以咧，佢哋要揾一棵咧好大嘅樹。
So all the that one they keep, they put aside, and the other part they cut in small pieces and bury in the ground as samadhi.
咁佢哋咧係斬嗰棵樹咧係要嗰2.5米噶啦，咁其他嗰啲嘅樹幹啊，或者剩得落嚟嗰棵樹嘅其他嘅嘢咧，佢哋將佢咧就切成細細片啦，跟住咧就擺喺放喺呢個地方咧個泥土裏邊咧，好似 samadhi 咁樣咧係擺放。
It's too cold. I already have a cold, and it's too cold. Turn off. We don't need. And you open the window. Turn off. 關掉啦。
唔係啊，嗰邊啊，對住埲牆啊，向住埲牆個牆邊啦。
Okay. Then each log means there are going to be 4 logs, one for Lord Jagannath, one for Baladev, one for Subhadra, one for Sudarshana Chakra.
咁佢哋咧有一共斬咗4棵嘅樹幹落嚟啦，一個咧就愛嚟，一個就主 Jagannath 啦，愛嚟做，另外一個咧就係 Baladev 啦，另外一個咧就係Subhadra 啦，跟住咧就係嗰個飛輪。
And they wrap them with silk cloth.
跟住咧係用一啲嘅絲質嘅布咧，將呢4嚿木咧包好。
Because when they're going to bring back to Jagannath Puri, nobody can see the logs.
但係因為咧將呢啲木樹幹帶翻去廟嘅時候咧，冇人能夠咧係見到呢個樹幹嘅。
They put each log in one chariot.
佢哋咧就之後咧將每一嚿個木咧就擺喺一個彈車上邊
and carry.
跟住就帶佢哋
And
去。
they have a procession back to Jagannath temple, one chariot after another, like Ratha Yatra.
跟住咧就好似 Ratha Yatra 咁咧，就係每部車咧跟住咧就係去到Jagannath 廟嗰度。
And nobody can see the logs.
冇人能夠咧係批准係見呢啲嘅木嘅。
They go to a special garden inside the temple of Lord Jagannath, in a compound, the courtyard.
咁去到呢個 Jagannath 廟咧嘅側邊咧就係有一個嘅花園咁樣咧，係為佢哋而建嘅。
In this garden, this is where they bury the old deities. They are buried there.
呢個地方咧就係將呢啲就 old deities， 就將啲舊嘅神像咧就係埋喺呢個花園嗰度。
When they carve the new deities, the old deities are buried here in samadhi.
咁咧將一個新嘅神像咧係雕刻好之後咧，舊嗰個神像咧就擺喺呢個花園嘅土地裏邊。
So in this garden, they construct a temporary room.
咁咧就係佢喺呢度咧就係呢個地方咧係結咗有一個臨時嘅房間。
There is only one door.
只係得一道門嘅啫。
Everything is all closed around.
咁咧係四周圍咧都係冚住嘅。
And only the carvers can go inside.
咁咧就係話咧，只係呢個嘅雕刻像啦，先至入得去裏邊咧係做嘢。
Usually 3 carvers, 4 carvers.
通常3至4個嘅雕像啦。
These are all carvers that they learn from their parents since 5,000 years ago.
咁呢啲嘅係雕像咧，就係從佢哋嘅父母度學習嘅。
It's their service to carve the deities.
咁佢哋咧係去雕刻神像咧，就係佢哋嘅服務嚟嘅。
They never go out of the temple.
佢哋從來都唔會去行出個廟出邊。
For 14 days.
又要14日咁長嘅時間。
The deities are carved in 14 days.
呢神像咧係用14日嘅時間咧係雕刻㗎。
They cannot go out.
佢哋係未完成咧，唔會出去㗎。
They sleep there, take Mahaprasad there.
佢哋喺嗰度瞓啦，喺嗰度係食 Mahaprasadam 啦。
And nobody can enter in that room.
冇其他人咧可以進入呢個房間。
Not even the head priest of the temple cannot go in.
就算呢個廟宇裏邊嘅總祭司咧都唔入得去嘅。
And then on the last day,
咁啊，最後一日嘅時候咧
when the deities are ready,
當呢個神像咧係雕刻好之後啦
one very old Brahmana,
咁要一個好年老嘅婆
very,
羅
very
門啦，
old Brahmana,
非常之老嘅年啦，
they cover his eyes,
要封住佢對眼啦，
they bind his hands,
跟住咧用隻手咧就係纏住啲布啦，
and he's going to extract something from the old deity, from the heart of the whole deity, and he's going to put in the heart of the new deity.
咁咧就之後咧就向住舊嘅神像個心嘅地方咧就攞啲嘢出嚟，跟住咧就將呢啲嘢咧就放喺呢個新嘅神像個心裏邊。
This is most secret. Nobody knows what is that.
咁佢哋咧，呢個咧就係最神秘嘅地方，冇人知道嘅呢個秘密嘅。
This old Brahmana cannot see, cannot feel.
咁呢個年老嘅婆羅門咧，佢就睇唔到嘢咧，亦都係感覺唔到嘅。
And after doing this ceremony, 2 or 3 days later, it passes away.
做咗呢個服務之後嘅2-3日之後咧，呢個年老嘅婆羅門咧就會離開身體嘅。
Is his last service.
呢個就係佢所做嘅唯一嘅最後嘅服務啦。
So now the new deity is alive, and the old deity is going to be buried in that garden.
咁咧就係變咗呢個新嘅神像咧有生命啦，舊嗰個神像咧就會埋葬喺地下。
So this is only that particular month, not every year.
咁呢個咧就係喺特別嘅月份裏邊啦，唔係每一年嘅都係會做嘅。
But when there is no change of deities, every year they repaint the deities.
咁如果係冇換到新嘅神像嘅時候咧，佢哋每年咧都會再替神像咧係再畫上啲新嘅色油彩。
The deities are not painted directly on their bodies. First, there's a cover of a layer of silk all over the body, and they paint over that layer of silk.
佢哋咧唔能夠咧係直接就將啲油彩咧畫喺呢個神像嘅身上，佢哋要經過一塊絲嘅布咧吸住，之後咧係透過個絲布咧就係絲綢嘅布咧係將呢啲油墨咧係畫上個神像身上邊。
The colors are powders, mineral powders, not natural powders.
嗰啲油漆咧就係礦物質嘅，唔係普通粉末嚟嘅。
Not paint, it's natural powder, color powders.
佢哋咧係用一啲嘅天然嘅油彩咧係畫上去嘅。
So this is done after the Snana Yatra, when the deities are based.
咁就係喺呢個Snana Yatra 之後咧。Snana Yatra after Snana Yatra they paint.
Snana Yatra first, and then there is the paint or the change of body. So Snana Yatra, this bathing ceremony first, and then after is the carving or the painting of the deities. This is first, comes first. First is the bathing.
首先咧係木做咗神像先啦，之後咧先至係將啲油彩咧畫上神像身上邊嘅。
Because here the deities go outside of the temple.
咁因為咧係神像咧係會出遊啦。
And they put in a special pandal, a special platform.
咁跟住咧係擺喺呢個特別嘅神壇上邊啦。
And the deities have a public bathing.
咁咧就喺呢個時候咧就係大家咧就係眾人咧就係替神像沐浴嘅。
So this happened in May.
咁呢個咧 Snana Yatra 咧就係喺5月份咧。
May, June, or already in June, or
或者係6月份啦。
29 of June.
就喺6月嘅29號咧舉行。
So happened 15 days before Ratha Yatra begin.
咁咧就係 Ratha Yatra 15日之前咧就舉行嘅。
So when there is a bathing is in the evening.
咁佢哋咧喺黃昏嘅時候咧係替神像沐浴嘅。
It's the weather at that time in Jagannath Puri is very hot.
因為嗰段時候咧Jagannath Puri 非常之炎熱啊。
But there is a cooling breeze.
咁但係有啲嘅清涼嘅風啦。
And they take water in copper pots, big copper pots.
咁你用呢個大嘅銅壺咧係去裝水。
108 copper pots.
108壺呢啲水。
From a well.
從一個井裏邊攞出嚟。
A special well that only take water for the bathing of Jagannath.
咁呢個廟呢個嘅井咧，只係咧愛嚟攞啲水咧愛嚟去沐浴神像嘅。
35 pots to bathe Lord Jagannath.
就係用35桶嘅呢啲嘅水咧愛嚟替 Jagannath 沐浴啊。
33 to bathe Baladev.
就係 Baladev 咧就係沖咧33桶水。
25 to bathe Subhadra.
Subhadra 咧就係用25桶嘅水咧係替佢沐浴。
And then to bathe Sudarshan Chakra.
跟住咧係呢個 Sudarshan Chakra。
So in lots of pots of water.
因此咧要攞好多水嘅。
Water from a well is cooling.
喺呢個井裏邊攞個水咧就係好冰涼嘅。
And outside very hot.
外邊又好熱喎。
So because that cooling water, Lord Jagannath catch a cold. 感冒啦。
由於咧係呢啲咁凍清涼咁凍嘅水咧，主 Jagannath咧就係冷親啦。
So he goes to the recovering room.
咁因此咧，佢要去多間房咧去恢復體力。
Before Snana Yatra, just 1 week before Snana Yatra, Lord Jagannath got married. Married. 結婚啦。結婚。Yes.
咁咧係喺 Snana Yatra
一星
期之前咧就結婚。
So when now Lord Jagannatha catch cold, his wife Rukmini goes with him to the recover room to give him special drinkings, hot drinks, and boil vegetables, give massage, applies, take nice care of him to recover.
咁咧就係新婚之後嘅 Rukmini 咧就去到呢個嘅房間咧，就係去服侍咧主 Jagannath 啦，就係替佢敷下面啊，或者係將佢或者俾啲藥佢食啊，俾啲嘢佢飲啊，咁就係服侍佢嘅。
So this is the pastime.
呢個咧就消閒時光。
But the technical part is that when they go to change body or to paint, that's what they do physical. But the pastime is different.
咁咧就係話咧其實呢個消閒時光咧同佢哋係遊咗呢個神采，即係呢個遊彩之前咧，其實係兩樣嘢嚟嘅。
So this is the only time that the devotees cannot see Lord Jagannatha, 14 days.
咁呢14日咧就係唯一嘅時候咧，就係嗰啲奉獻者咧唔能夠見到主 Jagannatha。
So he's supposed to be sick and his wife Rukmini is taking care of him.
咁呢段時間咧，佢就會病啦，咁佢嘅妻子咧 Rukmini 咧就會照顧佢嘅。
So Rukmini all the time serving Lord Jagannath, all the time, no moment free. She does not sleep.
Rukmini 咧就係用佢所有嘅時間啦，整天嘅時間咧都係去服務主 Jagannath 啦，就係連瞓覺都冇嘅。
A very devotee, very caring wife.
咁有一個係可以關心丈夫嘅妻子嚟嘅。
But after 14 days, she collapsed.
就14日之後咧，佢就已經即係病倒啦。
Too tired.
太疲累啦。
She fall asleep.
就瞓咗咯。
Lord Jagannath go out of the recovering room.
喺呢個時候咧，主 Jagannath 啦就係走出呢個休養嘅房間。
And the devotees are waiting for him to bring him to Vrindavan.
其實咧，嗰啲奉獻者等緊佢出嚟啊，就係帶翻佢，想帶翻佢去 Vrindavan。
Now is the time for Ratha Yatra.
呢個時候就係 Ratha Yatra 嘅時候啦。
So first Baladeva goes first.
Baladeva 係出嚟先嘅。
She is very big.
好大嘅。
Go outside of the temple, go to the chariot.
跟住咧係從個廟咧出嚟咧，去到個車上邊啦。
Subhadra is carried like a baby.
Subhadra 咧就好似 BB 咁俾人抱出嚟嘅。
And Jagannath, very big.
Jagannath 好大啦，龐大啊。
They move him like this, one pillow, another pillow, until they go inside the chariot.
跟住咧就係上咗個壇車啦。
Now they are ready for the festival.
跟住咧準備係過節啦。
So this is Ratha Yatra.
呢個就 Ratha Yatra.
Ratha Yatra means the inhabitants of Vrindavan are trying to bring Krishna back to Vrindavan.
Ratha Yatra 咧就係話咧 Vrindavan 嘅居民咧係用盡佢哋嘅努力啊，想將咧 Jagannath 咧係帶去 Vrindavan。
Because they are in separation from Krishna.
因為佢哋咧係同 Krishna 咧係分離咗好耐啦。
When Krishna left Vrindavan, he was only 12, 14 years old.
當 Krishna 離開 Vrindavan 嘅時候咧，佢只不過係14、15歲嘅時候。
And they were crying. They were all crying. They didn't want Krishna to leave
佢
Vrindavan.
哋全部都係非常之傷心大哭啊！咁就係希望咧 Krishna 咧唔好走。
And Krishna promised then, I'm just going to Mathura to take care of something and then come back.
Krishna 就話啦，我只係去 Mathura 一陣嘅啫，好快翻嚟嘅。
But he never came back.
但係未翻過去喎。
For 50 years, never came back.
有50年咁長都冇翻過去。
Because meanwhile he got married in Dwarka.
仲喺 Dwarka 結埋婚添。
Many wives.
好多妻子。
At this time is only one wife, Rukmini.
就呢一個咧就係 Rukmini 啦。
So for a long time, I'm repeating the same. I'm repeating the same to them. So for many years they have not seen him.
佢哋咧係冇見過 Krishna 好耐啦。
But their love for him is not less.
但係佢哋對 Krishna 嘅愛咧，從未咧係抌低過。
It's more. Love in separation.
對 Krishna 嘅愛咧係變得更多。
This is a special love of the inhabitants of Vrindavan.
咁呢個咧就係 Vrindavan 裏邊嘅居民咧對 Krishna 嘅愛。
They can never forget Krishna.
佢哋永遠唔會咧忘記
Krishna. And their love of Krishna never diminish.
佢哋對 Krishna 嘅愛咧永遠唔會減少。
They are always hoping that Krishna gonna join them.
佢哋時常都希望咧 Krishna 咧能夠咧係同佢哋一齊。
But Krishna did not.
但係 Krishna 咧就冇嚟翻去喎。
So this time, the inhabitants of Vrindavan are trying to take him away from Dwarka.
咁而家呢個時候咧，就 Vrindavan 嘅居民咧就走嚟咧，係要想將 Krishna 咧帶翻去 Vrindavan 啦。
So the procession goes until one temple called Gundicha.
咁跟住呢個遊行咧就去到 Gundicha 廟。
I don't have a picture here. So that temple represents Vrindavan.
嗰個廟咧代表住 Vrindavan.
Jagannath Temple. You have been to Jagannath?
Yes.
So there's a big temple, and then there's a large road, about 2 kilometers, until the temple of Gundicha. That road of 2 kilometers is where the Ratha Yatra happens.
咁呢個 Gundicha 廟咧就係距離主 Jagannath 廟咧係有5 kilometer 啊。
2。
就係2000米。咁咧呢條路咧就係 Ratha Yatra 嘅路嚟㗎啦。
It's a large street.
一條大街嚟嘅。
During the year, it does not look very large because many shops are there.
咁咧係喺年中咧就係嗰條路唔係咁大，因為有好多商鋪喺度。
But when there's Ratha Yatra, all the shops are moved.
當呢個 Ratha Yatra 舉行嘅時候咧，所有呢啲商鋪咧都會移走啊。
So it's very wide street.
係一個好闊嘅街道嚟嘅。
And 2 kilometers far, there is a Gundicha temple.
有2000米遠啊，相隔。
Gundicha temple represents Vrindavan.
Gundicha 廟咧就係代表做 Vrindavan.
And Ratha Yatra represents the devotees of Vrindavan pulling Krishna back to Vrindavan.
Ratha Yatra 呢個嘅節目咧就係代表住Vrindavan 嘅居民咧係走去呢度咧係將 Krishna 咧拉去 Gundicha 廟，即係 Vrindavan.
So they succeed.
佢哋成功咗啦。
They brought Krishna to Vrindavan.
佢哋帶咗 Krishna 翻去 Vrindavan.
But meanwhile, Rukmini wake up.
咁但係冇幾耐咧 ，Rukmini 就醒翻啦。
Where's Jagannath?
Jagannath 喺邊
？Where is gone?
去咗邊啊？
Hey, nobody. Where's Jagannath? Asking the servants. Where's Jagannath?
就問啲僕人啊 ，Jagannath 喺邊
？Nobody wants to say.
冇人咧咁講嘢。
She become angry.
佢就好嬲啦。
So one servant afraid he said, "They came to take him."
有一個僕人好驚喎，咁就同阿 Rukmini 講，佢哋咧去咗個樹啊。
He's gone with Baladeva and Subhadra.
Subhadra 同埋 Baladeva 同阿 Jagannath 一齊去咗嗰個地方。
She feel very disappointed.
佢咧就 Rukmini 非常之失望啦。
She locked herself in a room.
困喺自己嘅間房發嬲。
She don't want to see anyone.
唔想見任何人。
She don't want to eat anything.
唔想食任何嘢。
But the second day she comes out.
第二日佢就出咗嚟喎。
She go to the temple of Bimala Devi. There's a temple of Durga inside the compound of Lord Jagannath temple.
去到呢 Jagannath 廟咧，去到 Bimala Devi 呢個廟裏面啦。
He's going there to ask advice from Durga.
就同咧 Durga 咧就係攞呢個嘅意見啊。
And because Durga more experience.
因為 Durga 咧好有經驗啊，呢
long time married.
結咗婚好耐嘛。
So Rukmini is complaining. See, I treat him so nice. I didn't sleep to take care of him to recover, and he went. And he took Subhadra, Baladeva. Why did he not take me?
咁咧 Rukmini 就向啦 Bhima 女神咧就係講啦，你睇下我幾照顧 Jagannath， 而家咧佢就走咗。
Bimala said, you see, husbands are like that. You serve them, but they are very, very ungrateful.
Bhima 就話啦， 丈夫就係咁噶啦，你對佢咁好咧，佢有陣時都會走咗出去嘅。
So he you take this powder, gave him a bag, a cloth bag with the powder, said, this is a magic powder, it will help restore the intelligence of your husband.
Bimala 咧就係女神咧就同阿 Rukmini 講啦，嗱你攞住呢包粉，呢包粉咧就可以你就拋向佢嗰度，呢一個粉咧就能夠咧係得即係讓佢咧得翻啲回復呢個智慧。
So she took that powder and she left the temple, carried in palanquin by the servants.
跟住咧 Rukmini 咧就帶住呢包神秘嘅粉咧，奇妙嘅粉咧，就坐住一個嘅一個轎啦，跟住咧係走去呢個
a procession until Gundicha.
去到 Gundicha 廟。
So this today.
就係今日啦，就係呢今日。
Today, Rukmini she's same as Lakshmi Devi, is the original Lakshmi Devi.
Rukmini 咧，佢就係Lakshmi Devi 咧嘅化身嚟嘅。
Is origin of Lakshmi.
係。
So she go there to see Lord Jagannath.
咁但係去到呢個 Gundicha 廟咧，就去見主 Jagannath 啦。
On the 5th day after Ratha Yatra.
就喺 Ratha Yatra 嘅第5日。
Era Panchami.
呢個就。
Era Panchami. You see in the calendar is there. Mark.
今日嘅就係今日嘅日子啦。
She go there.
去到嗰處。
She go inside the temple of Gundicha.
去到 Gundicha 廟嘅裏邊啦。
Lord Jagannath is seated inside.
主 Jagannath 喺裏邊坐喺度。
And Rukmini Lakshmi go there.
Rukmini Lakshmi 咧就去到佢面前啦。
She do not say a word.
一粒聲都冇講。
She do not complain.
又唔投訴。
She do not say anything.
乜嘢都唔講。
Just look at him.
只係望住主 Jagannath。
Just to see him.
用對眼嚟望佢。
She took that powder from Bimala Devi.
咁你將呢個咧從 Bimala Devi 咧攞出嚟嘅粉末咧，
blow in his head.
就向佢頭一吹。
And then she turned back, walk out.
之後擰轉身就走啦。
Not say a word.
一句聲都冇講。
And when he walked out, he told the servants of Lord Jagannath, you tell your master, his wife is waiting for him in the palace.
跟住咧就係 Rukmini 就去到個 Gundicha 廟嘅門前咧，就同呢個門口嘅人講：你講俾 Jagannath 聽，我而家咧就去翻去 ，go back to where？
To the palace.
翻去皇宮啊！我
The temple means is their palace.
係翻去 Jagannath 廟，即係佢哋嘅皇宮嚟噶啦。
So the servants are all very nervous.
佢嘅僕人好緊張啦。
They tell Lord Jagannath, and Lord Jagannath is also nervous.
講俾主 Jagannath 聽咧，嗰個僕人都好驚。
Because he's his wife.
因為呢個係佢嘅妻子嚟嘅。
He cannot neglect his wife.
唔可以咧係忽略佢嘅妻子。
The gopis are girlfriends, they are not wife.
嗰啲牧牛姑娘咧，又唔係佢嘅妻子，係佢嘅女朋友嚟嘅啫。
He loves all of them, but is bound by marriage.
咁咧，主 Jagannath 啦，即係 Krishna 咧，就係愛佢嘅牧牛女郎、牧牛姑娘。咁咧，但係咧，因為佢呢個婚姻咧係喺呢處啦。
So immediately he don't do anything.
咁立刻咧，佢乜嘢都唔做啦。
But after 2 days, he start feeling better. I go back.
咁2日之後咧，佢諗下都係翻去好啲。
So this is also known as Lakshmi Vijaya, means it's the victory of Lakshmi Devi.
呢一樣咧就係有一個稱呼，就係 Lakshmi Vijaya， 即係話 Lakshmi 勝利啦。
Means she won.
佢已經勝利。
Without saying a word, she won.
一句聲都唔使講，但係佢又贏咗咯。
So then Lord Jagannath take a chariot and go back.
然後咧，主 Jagannath 咧就坐翻架車咧，就翻去皇宮啦。
So we may say, why this happened now? Again, the inhabitants of Vrindavan are separated from Krishna.
咁啊，就點解呢啲會成日都會發生咧？嚇，就係Vrindavan 嘅居民成日都咁樣做。
Because they show us by their example how love and separation can be very, very deep.
咁即係話咧，呢個嘅Vrindavan 嘅居民呢咁嘅做法咧，即係展示佢哋係對主 Jagannath 嘅愛咧係有幾深啊！
They met for a very short time.
佢哋咧相聚咗都係好短嘅時間。
But it was very good for them.
但對佢哋嚟講咧，已經好滿足啦。
But then Krishna left them.
跟住咧，Krishna 咧又再次離開佢哋啦。
And their love increased.
但係之後佢哋對 Krishna 嘅愛咧係增加咗。
So love and separation, that's what we learn. We develop love and separation for Krishna.
佢哋咧係對 Krishna 嘅愛咧係分離嘅愛咧係非常之深嘅。
Like we also develop love and separation for our spiritual masters.
就正如我哋係對靈性導師嘅分離嘅愛咧，亦都係非常之深。
We see them once in a while, right?
我哋只不過咧係有陣時見佢哋一陣間啫。
Most of the time we don't see them.
好多時候咧，我哋都唔會見到我哋嘅靈性導師。
But our attachment, our faith increases.
但係我哋對靈性導師嘅愛咧，同埋係信心咧，同埋依附咧係加深咗。
When you meet them again, we want to serve better. We want to offer more better service.
再見到靈性導師嘅時候咧，我哋咧就希望咧係更加咧係去細心咁樣去服務靈性導師。
So Lord Jagannath always participated in the Ratha Yatra and danced, very ecstatic.
主彩坦爺咧就喺呢個Ratha Yatra嘅時候咧，永遠都係好狂喜咁樣去喜悅咁樣去跳舞嘅。
We know who is Lord Jagannath.
我哋知道邊個係 Jagannath。
Who is Lord Jagannath?
主 Jagannath 係邊一位咧？
Oh, sorry. Who is Lord Chaitanya?
主彩坦爺係邊一位啊？
Krishna and Radharani.
Is Krishna with the emotions, with the feelings of Srimati Radharani?
主 Jagannath 咧，主彩坦爺咧，佢就係 Krishna 啦，同埋係Radharani 嘅一個嘅心髓。
Because he wanted to experience her feelings, her emotions.
因為咧，佢係想經驗到Radharani 嘅對 Krishna 嘅愛。
So when they are bringing the chariot to Gundicha, to Vrindavan, he is in the mood of Radharani, happy, very jubilant, because they are bringing Krishna back to Vrindavan.
嗱，當咧主彩坦爺咧見到 Jagannath 咧喺灌堆場廟嘅時候咧，佢就係感覺到咧，佢本人咧就係 Radharani，主 Jagannath 咧就係 Krishna， 因此咧佢就非常之喜悅咁樣咧係舞蹈起嚟。
And all the intimate associates of Lord Chaitanya are originally from Vrindavan.
就主彩坦爺嘅其他嘅同友咧，佢哋亦都係 Vrindavan 裏邊嘅居民嚟嘅。
So they are very jubilant, they are very happy. That's why there's so much dancing, so much singing, because they are bringing Krishna back to Vrindavan.
因此咧，佢哋係見到 Jagannath 嘅時候咧，佢哋就係等同咧係見到主 Krishna 咁樣咧，係非常之喜悅，係舞蹈起嚟。
But eventually Krishna goes back to Dwarka.
咁咧，但係最終咧，主 Jagannath 咧就係翻去嘅妻子身邊。
This is the return. Lord Jagannath is returning now to
呢個圖咧，呢幅畫咧就係講緊主 Jagannath 咧翻去 Jagannath 廟。
So this happened today. Today,
今日
Lakshmi was victorious, and maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, the Ratha Yatra go back to the temple.
咁咧，今日咧就係 Rukmini 咧勝利日嚟嘅，咁之後咧就係2日之後咧就翻去 Jagannath 廟。
Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
jai. Shri Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Devi ki jai.
Jai.
Indra Deva ki jai.
Jai.